circumferentially, the rigid tape. Never put like this. Okay, why? It might stop the blood circulation, so that can create a problem. Just leave some area like this. Okay, I have left this area, so I am not putting it circumferentially, right?
The pressure also may be lighter or not.
Yeah, lighter. You don't have to compress any structure, okay? Because if you are compressing that, then it will give you a kind of restriction of the blood in that area. That we don't have to do. Okay? Relax. Yeah. Now, say for example, your athlete or patient, maybe a normal patient, has got some injury, okay, and now you don't want him to move his ankle, okay. So what you will do, first of all, put the middle stirrup, starting from here till the lower ankle. No wrinkle. Okay, now what you will do, starting from here, half and half, starting from here, half and half, and you keep doing it. So the whole heel you will cover, okay. Even with this, he won't be able to go forward. Do dorsiflexion. He is not able to, okay. So he is restricted there, okay. He can't move the ankle, see, right. So I'll just put 1 or 2 strips, save time also. Just imagine we have put 1 more strip here like this. Definitely it will go till here. Okay, just imagine that we are doing that.
From here, we don't need to check for original insertion.
No. In rigid there is no origin insertion, nothing, no concept at all. So here also half and half, cover it till here without any wrinkles. Now in the end you will secure it with 1 more anchor, okay.